Good morning, every one of you. Good morning, Shirisha. Good morning, Rakesh.
Good morning, sir.
Uh, Please respond me. Do you see the notepad on the screen? Say yes. Okay. Hi, Chetna. Hi, Mayur. Good morning, Tejas. Good morning, Udank.
Good morning, sir.
How did you write your test? I think you had test now. Good morning,
Yes,
Priyanka.
sir, we had. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
Okay. Good morning, Rakshita. Hi, Rachna. I hope everyone are doing practice every day. Hi, Priya. We shall wait for a few more minutes. Good morning, Namrata. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Batu. Hi. Good morning, Vamshi. Good morning, every one of you. Say, in the last class, I was telling you about various things. Okay. I was telling you about the list. Okay, I was telling you about the typecasting functions. So list is also a typecasting function. Tuple is also a typecasting function. Okay, similarly like int and string. Okay, so if you see the examples here, we are having a list inside. We are having a list, but that has been converted into tuple. Okay, that is known as typecasting. List is converted into list is converted to tuple. Okay, that's what the typecasting functions do. Okay, now one more typecasting function is list. Okay, internally we are having a tuple. Internally there is a tuple is converted into list. Okay, here tuple is converted converted into list. Okay, now similarly you see it is a string. Internally it is a string. Here string is converted into list. Okay, now list and tuple are typecasting functions. Now next you must know about, I told you about references also. References are similar to the pointers. Okay, now but before knowing the references you must know what is a variable. Here you can see the example here. Spam is a variable, cheese is a variable. Spam is assigned 42. After that the content of spam is assigned to cheese. Okay, so cheese becomes 42. Now after that we are changing the content of spam, that becomes 100. Okay, Now spam is 100 and cheese is 42. Okay, both are different. Spam is different and cheese is different. That is about variables. They are like containers. But when it comes to the references, they are the pointers. Okay, if you see the spam here, it is having the list of numbers from 0 to 5. Okay, we are assigning spam to list. Okay, now we are assigning hello to cheese of 1. That means it reflects the change in spam also. Okay, in spam also you can see the change. Okay, now similarly one more example. Here we are having a function like eggs. Okay, we are passing a spam list. Okay, we have declared a spam and we are passing spam 1 2 3. Okay, now some parameter becomes 1 2 3 and we are appending hello. Okay, now we are passing the parameter, we are passing the reference. If we make the changes in the function, that also reflects in the uh, spam. Okay, that's what you must know. Okay, if you don't want the changes, if you don't want the changes to be implemented in the original list, we need to use copy module. Okay, you can see in this example, the copy module has a copy function and deep copy. Okay, everybody must know the name of the module is copy, and it has functions like copy and deep copy. Okay, you see here we are importing copy. We are importing copy and we are declaring spam, initializing with ABCD. It's a list of ABCD. Okay, now we are copying the spam list to the cheese. Okay, after that 42 is initialized with cheese of 1. Okay, so you can see there cheese of 1 means this one. Okay, second location, but that will be not reflected in spam because we have used copy. We have used copy. Okay, similarly deep copy, if there are lists within lists, if there are lists within lists, say here we are having one more list like this. Okay, say we are having A, B and C and D. Okay, if you are having like this list within list, then we can use deep copy. Okay, copy dot deep copy. Okay, now even I told you about the dictionary. Okay, it's also data type. It will be having the key value pairs. Okay, keys are known as indexes also. Okay, indexes generally they'll be integers, but in dictionary it allows you to give of any data type. Okay, string also can be declared as an index. Okay, you can see here size, it is a string but it has been acting like an index. Okay, say in this example I have declared a dictionary like my cat. So I have declared key values like size, color, and disposition. In its values are fat, gray, and loud, respectively. Okay. Now I told you if I want any particular value, okay, we can give the its key. Okay, my cat of size, it is fat. Similarly, I have used that one in a sentence. Okay, my cat gray color, instead of color, it will be replaced with gray. Okay. Now similarly, I took one more example spam. Here I have initialized with integers. Okay, integer as the key, and its value is luggage combination. Okay. Now similarly, I told you the differences between the dictionaries and lists. Okay, here order matters. In the list, order is matters. You can see how many lists are there. Please type in the chat box. In this example, how many lists are there and their names. Please type me. Please type me the name of the list in the chat box. The name of the list here in this example. Please type in the chat box. Spam and Bacon. Good. Abhishek says spam and Bacon. Good. Whether they are same, whether they are both are same. You see there, spam is initialized with Namrata says both are same. Okay, that's what I want to make you to clear. Both are not same because you see here, spam is having cats, dogs, and moose. Okay, Bacon is having dogs, moose, and cats. But order is changed. Order, you see the order. Order has been changed. If the order is changed, means both are not same. Okay, so if you check if spam is equal to Bacon, it gives you false. Okay, but order doesn't matter in the dictionary. Okay, you see here in this dictionary we are having two dictionaries, eggs and ham. Okay, x is having three key value pairs, name Zophie, species cat, age 8. But here the order has been changed, but both are same. Okay, that makes the difference. That makes the difference. The order doesn't matters. The order doesn't matters in the dictionary. Okay, we can do for that. We can do for that. Okay, I'll check here. Here you can see I'll take one list. List 1 is equal to 1, 2, and 23 and 90. Okay, now list 2. List 2 is equal to 22, say 23, comma 1, comma 90. Okay, now L1 is equal to L2. Okay, what will be the output for this? Please type in the chat box. False. Good. You see there, L1 is equal to L2. Order is changed. That's why we are going to get false. Say I'll change the order. I'll change the order. L2 is equal to 1, comma 23, comma 90. Okay. Now this time L1 is equal to L2. L1 is equal to L2. We will get true because order is same. Okay. That makes the difference. Now I'll take dictionaries. I'll take dictionaries. Dictionary 1. Okay. I'll take dictionary. Say dictionary must be begin with the brackets. Now I'll give some values. Say I'll give countries and their capitals. Okay. Say India, colon, Delhi. Everything must be enclosed within quotes. Okay. New Delhi. Similarly, one more example. I'll take Sri Lanka. We can give Colombo. Okay. Now similarly, I'll take one more example, Nepal. Now this time I'll give Kathmandu. Okay. Now I'll close this. I'll close this. Now dictionary 2. I'll take dictionary 2. Okay. Now I'll change the order. Here I'll give Nepal. Here I'll give Nepal. Okay. Then it's capital. Okay. Now I'll copy these things. Okay. I'll try to type itself. Say India, New Delhi. Now Sri Lanka. It must be closed in double quotes. Okay. Double quotes or single quotes, it doesn't matter. Okay. So Colombo. Now you check here. Now dict 1 is equal to dict 2. Now you tell me the output. What will be the output? Please type in the chat box. It is true. Okay, good. Vamshi says it is true. Shashank says it is true. Okay, you see there? It is true. Even though order has been changed, it is true. Okay, we will take one more dictionary. Dictionary 3. This time I'll take dictionary 3. You see here, 1 is the key. For 1, I'll give the value as high. Okay. 2 is the key. For 2, I'll define hello. Okay. Now similarly for 3. I'll give namaste. Okay. Dict 3. It is dict 3. Now dict 4. I'll take dict 4. Okay. Dict for the same key value pairs but interchanged. Say I'll take first 2. Okay, 2 is hello. Here this example shows you that key values can be written without double quotes. Okay, you see there integers, no need to give the double quotes. Okay, I'll give 1. After that you must give colon. Colon is mandatory. Okay, similarly for 3 I'll give namaste. Okay, now tell me what is the mistake in this. Did I do any mistake? Please type me in the chat box. Colon, yes. After 3 I must give colon. Key and value must be separated by colon. One more thing, one more error. Double quotes. Good. Say I must give double quotes. Okay, I have interchanged order. Interchanged 1 and 2, but both are same. Okay, so dict 3 is equal to dict 4. Okay, now what will be the output for this? Please type in the chat box. It is true. Good. Abhishek says it is true. Namrata says it is true. Good. So you can see there we got that one as true. Now I told you about functions. I told you about some functions. Say methods. Some methods. I told you about some methods. Okay. Keys is a method. Values is a method. Items is a method. You see there I'm using a list. I'm using a dictionary which is having color red, aged 42. Okay, I can use spam keys to access only keys, color and age. Okay, you can see there we got the output like color and age. Similarly, we can use a function like values. Okay, where we got values red and 42. Okay, you can see the red and 42 are the values. Similarly, if you want both keys and values, we can use a function like items. Okay, I told you this one in the last class only. Now we'll try to access them. Say dict1. For dict1 we want the keys. Okay, say for that I need to use for I in dict, we must give the dictionary name. Okay, dict1 dot keys. Okay, after this, so what is the mistake? I did? Please tell me. For I in dict1 keys. Good. Abhishek says we must give colon. After that, we must give indentation. Then we must print I. Okay, it gives you. I must use Control Z. Okay, you see there India, Sri Lanka, Nepal. All these are keys. Okay, this time we will print values. 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 We'll give indentation. Okay, this time I'll give Control Z. You see there New Delhi, Colombo and Kathmandu are the values. Similarly, say we want both the pairs. Okay, we can use for I comma j in. Okay, for I comma j in dict1 dot items. Okay, now give colon print I comma j. Okay, Control Z. You see there India, New Delhi, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Nepal, Kathmandu. We got them. Okay. See here, everybody type the names of the methods of the dictionary in the chat box. Please type me the names of the functions or the names of the methods in the chat box. Items, keys, and values. Every one of you, I'll wait for you. Functions must be written within brackets, with brackets. Okay. Every one of you, please type me. I'll call your names. Keys, key, values, items. Okay, good. Shashank, Namrata, good. Functions must be written within brackets. You see there? I have written bracket here. I have written bracket. Is it like that? Every one of you, I'll wait for every one of you. Kevin, good. Kevin is there. Karthik is there. Good. Say, I asked you to type the methods. I asked you to type the methods of dictionary. Okay, methods of dictionary. That was my question. So I want you to type keys. Many of you written just key. Okay, it is keys. It is keys. Okay. After that, values. It is values. Okay. Whenever you are writing functions, you must give brackets. After that, items. After that, items. All these are methods. All these are methods. Okay. Now you learn one more method. Okay. You see one more method. It is get method. It is a get method. It gets you the values. Okay. You see in this example. See here, get method will give you. It takes two arguments. It takes two arguments. Cups and 0. Default return value is 0. Okay. If the dictionary doesn't have the value, it will return 0. Okay. So in this example, picnic items. I took a dictionary like picnic items. Apple 5. Cups 2. Okay. Now see here, I am bringing picnic items dot get cups 2. Okay, you can see here I am bringing 2 cups. Similarly here in this example, I am bringing eggs. X is not there. X values is not there. X key is not there. So you'll get 0. We'll get 0. Okay, this you must know. Okay, say I'll try to execute this. Here is the example for the get method. Just I'll uncomment this. I'll uncomment this. I'll run this. Shift F10. Okay, I must select this file. Run, click on run, click on run. Here, I must select module 2 underscore class 2. Okay, now click on run. You see there, we got the output. I am bringing 2 cups. Okay. Similarly, I am bringing eggs. Okay, eggs doesn't have any value here. That's why 0 will be placed. 0 will be returned. Okay, so you must know get will be having 2 parameters. Okay, get will be having 2 arguments. Now I'll comment this. I'll comment this. Now you see the next method. The next method is set default. Set default. Okay. So what it does is, you see in this example, spam. Spam is having two key value pairs. Name is hookah and age is 5. Okay. Now say here I'm default. I'm using this spam set default. Okay, color. I'm setting that one as black. Okay, I'm setting that one as black. Okay, next again, I'm trying to change that one. Color is changing to white. Okay, but it will be not changed because we have already defaultly set the color as black. Okay, that makes the difference. Set default. Okay, set default will give you the final color. It is black. Okay, say I'll try to execute this. Just I'll copy paste that. I'll copy paste this. I'll paste here. Now I'll remove all those this is output. Just I'll comment this. This is output. Okay, you see here I'm initializing spam with the dictionary and values. Now I'm setting set default. Okay, spam is set default, color is assigned as black. Okay, now I'll try to print spam. Here we must use this is the output. Okay, I'll comment all these things. I'll run this. Okay, so what is the mistake here? Please type in the chat box. Please type in the chat box. Indentation good. Aziz says indentation good. Say here it has been beginning the second colon. No, it must begin in the first colon. So shift F10. You see there color. You see the output. Color is black. Okay, color is black. We defaultly set the color as black. Okay, now I'll change that one. I'll try to change that one. Color as white. Okay, now I'll try to print it. Print the spam. Okay, what will be the output? The color, how about the color? Color will be black. You see there, color has been given as black only. Okay, it has not been changed as white. Okay, that's about the set default. Please everybody type both the methods in the chat box. Just now you learned two more methods. Set default and one more. Please type in the chat box. Set default and get. Okay, every one of you. Get and set default. Good. Abhishek says get and set default. Please type me, every one of you. It is small g. Shirisha, it is small g. Okay, good. Good, every one of you. I'll wait for your inputs. Vaishnavi. Surabhi, good. Get and set default, good. Good, Rakshita. Priyanka, good. Dhruti, good. Mahesh, good. Kevin, good. Priya, did you type? Mayur, did you type? Okay, good. Good, Priya. Rakesh. Rakesh is there. Good. Good, Rakesh. Okay. You see there? Two more things. You learned two more things. Okay. Now, the next thing is okay, for the set default, there is a function. For set default, there is a function. Okay. There is a program. Okay. Can anybody tell what it does? You see there? Can anybody tell me what it does? Please type in the chat box what this program do. You see there? Okay. This program counts the number of characters appeared in the message. Okay. I have declared a message. I have declared a string. Message is a string here. Okay. See, I have given some characters in it. Okay, this is the example for set default. Okay, and dictionary. You see here, I have to get string. It is having number of characters. I am initializing a dictionary. Okay, you see there, it is a dictionary count. Okay, now this is known as empty initialization. Okay, empty initialization. See here, this is empty initialization. Okay, every dictionary, every list, every array, or every string can be empty initialized. Now, for character in message, for every character in message, okay, what we are doing? We are assigning its value as 0. Okay. Now after that, if we find the same character, we are incrementing that. We are incrementing that. You see here, first time I. Okay. I will be initialized with 0. Okay, I will be initialized with 1. Okay, after that T. Okay, T somewhere if it appears again here, T will be incremented. Okay, like this it goes on. Okay, finally we are going to get the count, the dictionary count. Okay, now I'll try to execute this. I'll comment all these things, the other statements. Okay, I'll try to run this. Shift F10. So you see there, I has been appeared one time. T has been appeared 6 times. Okay. Space has been appeared 13 times. Okay, you see there 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4 space. It gives you the count of space also. Okay, similarly W. Okay, W is appeared 2 times. A is appeared 4 times. Okay, S is appeared 3 times. Say here, first we are defaultly setting its value as 0. Okay, after that, every time if the same value appears, we are incrementing the count. Okay, now if I change this, if I change the T value, okay, here if I give T, okay, now what will be the count of T? What will be the count of T? Please type in the chat box. 9. Good. Okay, good Abhishek, good Sri Lakshmi, good Shweta, good Namrita. Okay, you see here t. T has been, I have increment, I have 3 times extra I have added. So the value of t will be changed to 9. Okay, so I'll run one more time. You see there, t has been changed to 9. Okay, now I'll comment this. I'll comment this. Now the next module. See here, for dictionary to print neatly. Okay, here it is. If you want to see the all the things, we need to browse this. We need to browse the dictionary. Okay, if you want that one to be appeared in a proper manner, there is a module known as pretty printing. Pretty printing. Okay, that can be done by using a module pprint. Okay, everybody type the modules. Okay, everybody type the module name. The module name. Pprint. Good. You see there, import pprint. Okay, pretty print. P stands for pretty print. Please type me, every one of you. Pprint. Good, Rakshita. Aziz, please type me. Venkatesh, it is small p. Venkatesh Gowda, it is small p. The name of the module is pprint. It has functions like pprint and pformat. Okay, it has the functions like pprint and pformat. Okay, these are functions. Many of you have given as capitals. No, they are small letters. Okay, now I'll comment this. So you see there, for the same output, for the same program which prints the number of characters. Okay, we are importing pprint. We are using pprint. Okay, and we are passing the dictionary. Okay, you see here the same example. I'll uncomment this. I have already typed this because it consumes the time. You see there, I have imported pprint. Okay, it is pprint. The module name is pprint. It stands for pretty printing. Okay, for beautiful printing. I have took some message. I have took a dictionary. I initialized that one with empty dictionary. Then I use a for loop. Okay, every time we are setting the character value as 0. Now every time if it encounters the same character, it is incremented, and that will be placed in count of character. Okay, the value. After that, I'm printing. Okay, I'm using the function pprint. Okay, similarly I'm also using pprint dot pformat. Okay, I'll run this. You see there, the first output is for pprint. Okay, now the second output is for pformatting. Okay, both are somewhat same. Okay, for some formatting we can do if you want. I will comment this. Okay, then the next topic is nested dictionaries. Okay, dictionary within dictionary. It stands for stands for dictionary within dictionary. Okay, this is for some complex situations. You see there is a dictionary, all guess. Okay, it is having a outer dictionary, allies. Within that there is one more dictionary, apples 5. Okay, pretzels 12. Okay, similarly Bob is having a dictionary again. This entire thing is one more dictionary. Okay, similarly Carol is having one more dictionary. So it is known as dictionary within dictionary. Okay, so in this example what it does is, you see there, it will print what the Alice has bought. Okay, see the output. Alice has bought. Okay, it prints total number of apples, total number of cups, total number of cakes, total number of sandwiches, total number of apple pies. Okay, brought by every one of you, every one of the guests. Okay, you see there how that is done. You see the name of the function. We are defining a function, total brought. Okay, total brought is the name of the function. We are passing guests and items. Guests will be replaced with Alice, Bob, and Carol. Okay, item will be replaced with apples and pretzels. Okay, after that ham sandwiches, apples, cups, and apple pies. Okay, every time it will be incremented. Okay, by its values. Okay, 5 plus if there is apples one more time, it will be incremented. For example, in this case 5 plus 2, it happens here. For apples it is 5 plus 2, it is done by get, get function. Okay, after that the total value will be returned. The total value will be returned here. See here, we are passing, we are giving message, number of things being brought, Okay, after that apples, we are giving some message, apples, string, we are converting that one into string. We are calling the functions total brought. As the total brought, we'll go to the total brought here. Okay, the control goes to the total brought. After that, all guess, this dictionary is passed to the guess. Okay, now apples is passed as the item. Okay, now num brought is initialized with 0. Now for k and v in the guest items, okay, this will be replaced. Okay, you must analyze this, Okay, we'll try to execute this. Okay, already I have typed that. I'll uncomment this. Now, everybody type the name of the dictionary, please. What is the dictionary within dictionary we have used? The name of the dictionary. Please type in the chat box. You see this? You type the name of the dictionary. Only one dictionary is there. All guess. Good Sri Lakshmi, good Vamshi, good Shashank, good Abhishek. Okay, there is one dictionary, all guess. Now similarly, how many functions are there? Please type in the chat box. How many functions are there? Please type in the chat box. One function. Good. You see there, one function. Name of the function is total brought. It has two parameters, guests and items. Okay, now I think there is no mistake. I think there is no mistake here. Okay. Now I'll try to run this. I'll try to run this. Module 3. Okay. 6. I'll click on run. I'll use module 2 underscore class 3. Okay. So I'll run this. So we got some error. Numbrot. So what is the mistake? What is the mistake here? Please type in the chat box. Numbrot. Indentation error. What I must do? Indentation after for loop. After for loop, I must give some indentation. Okay. I'll run this. Okay, you see there. Number of things being brought is apple 7, cups 3, cake 0, ham sandwiches 3, apple pies 1. Okay, apple pies 1. Okay. How many function calls are there? Please type in the chat box. Function calls for total brought. In this program, how many times the particular function has been called? Please type me in the chat box. 5 times. Good. Vamshi says 5 times. Durga says 5 times. You see there? This is the function call. Okay. Function call for apples. Function call for cups. Function call for cakes. Function call for ham sandwiches. Function call for apple pies. Okay. Now we are passing dictionary. We are passing dictionary and the particular item. We are passing dictionary and the particular item. Okay. So this function will be called. This function will be called 6 times. 5 times. 5 times. Okay. We'll comment this. This is the program for dictionary within dictionary. Okay. Or nested dictionaries. Nested dictionaries. Okay, we'll do one more program. We'll do one more program. Okay, you see there? What is the name of the dictionary? Please type me by saying this program. What is the name of the dictionary that is there? Birthdays. Good. You see there? The dictionary name is birthdays. For Alice, it is April 1. For Bob, it is December 12. For Carol, it is March 4. Okay. I have initialized birthdays dictionary. Now, I'll give a message. Enter a name. Okay. If he enters the name Alice, it will give you April 1 as the birthday. Okay. Similarly, if you enter blank, it will stop. Okay. You see there? While true, this statement will be repeated n number of times. Okay, this statement will be repeated n number of times. Now, if he enters blank, we are coming out of the program. If name is there in the birthdays, okay, if Alice is there in the birthdays, it will give you birthdays of Alice. Birthdays of Alice. Birthdays of Alice is April 1. So here this will be replaced with April 1. April 1 is the birthday of Alice. You'll get the message like that. Okay, else you'll get message like I don't have the information for Alice. Okay, now it will ask Alice what is his birthday. If it is not there, we need to enter his birthday and that will be placed in the dictionary. Okay, we'll get message like birthday database is updated. Okay, after that we will print all the birthdays. Now I'll run this. I'll run this. I'll run this. Okay, so shift F10. So I'll run this. The name of the I have changed the file. Okay, you see there, enter a name, enter a name. So I will enter Alice. I will enter Alice. Okay, you see there, we don't have that birthday. We don't have that birthday because what is the mistake? Capital A. I must give capital A. Okay, it is case sensitive. You see there. Oh, sorry. Here I must give Alice. You see there, April 1 is the birthday of Alice. April 1 is the birthday of Alice. Say I'll give this time my name. Okay, Ramesh. Say you are getting message. I don't have the birthday information for Ramesh. So what is their birthday? I'll give April 18th. April 18th. So we got birthday database is updated. Birthday database is updated. Okay. Now this time we'll give Ramesh. Okay. We'll give Ramesh. Say we got April 18th is the birthday of Ramesh. Okay. April 18th is the birthday of Ramesh. Okay. Now if you want to see the entire dictionary, I'll give blank and I'll type enter. Okay, you see there, updated databases, Alice, Bob, Carol was there already. Okay, this I did some mistake. Okay, now here you see for the Ramesh, we got April 18th. April 18th. Okay, April 18th. Now I'll run one more time. Shift F10. Okay, now I'll type Udank. Okay. Now I don't have birthday information for Udank. Please tell me the birthday of the Udank. Birthday of the Udank. Udank is there? Please type me the birthday of Udank if anybody knows. 2nd Feb. Good, Sarah. Thank you. You see there? February 12th. February 12th. Okay, I'll give Feb 12th. That is answer, is it? Second Feb. Okay, good. February 2nd. Feb 2nd. Okay, so I'll type enter. Now I'll quit. Okay, or I'll give empty. So you can see there, Udank, Feb 12, Udank, Feb 12, Feb 2. Okay. Did you understand this? Are you following? Please type me in the chat box. Please type in the chat box. In this session, okay, good. In this session, you learned various methods. You learned dictionary within dictionary. You learned few programs. You learned few programs for the count of the messages, and you learned pretty printing module. Okay, all those things. Okay. I think we can stop here. Thank you so much. If any of you are not understanding, please you can contact me or you can see in the textbook. Okay. Thank you so much.